Hello everyone, this is week 10 and I'm the team lead for this week. I mainly focused on improving our routing and safety scoring features while managing the Jira board and coordinating the teams. And this is the continuation of last week work as I enhanced the CSV loader with better safety lookups, detailed metrics, and crime proximity checks. I added the new route calculator with OSRM integration, and I also started working on the safe detour path generator, which is now functioning and improved and guiding well the users about the unsafe areas and all. We also fixed the mobile view and added loading progress and a London test location. We are working on fixing some issues this week, and Shalini supported me with development work on the loader and routing logic, and Huda helped me also in this area, including UI updates. I also handle task assignments, communication, meetings, and merging pull requests to keep the sprint on track. Thank you.
Hi everyone, so this is my sprint date update. I focused heavily on the suggested routes feature to a fully working state. I integrated the backend fastest and safest routing logic, connected the front end to the route finding API, built the comparison UI, and also added session-based navigation state so that the navigation page can read all route information smoothly. I also added detailed documentation to explain the safety scoring logic and backend used in the suggested routes feature. Hina and I worked together again on this feature just like last sprint, and after a lot of debugging, the suggested routes functionality is finally working end to end. Our main goal now is to start and finish the entire navigation page before Friday's presentation so that the whole routing flow will be fully complete. Alongside development, I'm also researching journal articles and preparing 8 UML and system diagrams for the final report, which include the class diagram, entity relationship diagram, use case diagram, sequence diagram, state machine diagram, as well as the deployment diagram. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Karan Joseph from Group 2. So for this week, me with Priyanka, we worked on the hazard page. Like now, it only show hazards when you're in a particular area, not all the hazards like before. And there was a certain issues while we started the implementation on buddy page, and there was certain errors while logging in for the buddy page, and I worked on it, and yeah, it seems to be working now, thankfully. And Huda was the one working on the buddy page. She asked me, and yeah, and I also looked into dark mode, also the mobile view a bit, but I wasn't just mainly assisting. That's it. That's all I did for this week. And yeah, I'm looking into a few more features about the hazard things. We are working on it. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sai Priyanka Basa Shankar from Group 2. This week, I am working on implementing light and dark mode in the app, and we hard coded the whole thing regarding the colors and everything. So we uh, uh, it's gonna take longer to implement this, and but it will be done by Friday. And I'm working on the hazard page with Karan, and we both fixed the issues, but there are very little features left that need to be uh, worked on, and yeah, we are focusing on that as and yeah, that's all I did this week. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Huda Ibrahim from Group 2 this week then. This week I start focusing on find buddy page, and I start some research and investigation how this feature can be implemented technically and also from UX point of view. Then I implement a prototype, will be discussed on Friday presentation and get the feedback from the mentors. Then I will go with implementing the backend. On the other hand, I'm working on the hosting of the app externally. Finally, we decide as a team to go with some page feature on the backend So this will help hosting the app externally smoothly. And last thing, we meet as a team and discussed all the enhancement that can be done before the final, so the app will be more efficient and more user friendly. Thank you.